Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create new measure in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. I've already created the table which consists of subcategory, sum of sales, sum of profit. Let's activate the focus mode. Now I want to create the new column which consists of profit per quantity. So I'll click on the new measure from here. Let's write down the new variable as profit per quantity equal to sum of. We'll pick up the superstore profit from here and close the bracket. Divided by sum of superstore quantity. Close the bracket. Check the formula. Is it correct? Commit. Done. A new measure has been generated. The next thing which you will do is just simply drag and drop into these columns. And you can see that for each subcategory, it gives me the new measure that is profit per quantity. So this is how you can create a new measure in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.